Hello and welcome, it's me Nathan, your friendly neighborhood support engineer, and in today's video we're going to be talking about LDAP syncing. This allows two UCMs to swap their contact and extension information so that users from one phone system can get the information and phone list of users on another phone system. As you can see in this example, UCM A and UCM B are the two UCMs that we're going to be interconnecting through LDAP syncing, and it's a pretty quick procedure. It first starts with you pairing two UCMs, and if you have not seen that, go ahead and click on the link right above. That will take you through how to set up peer UCMs as well as configure outbound and inbound routes for those peer UCMs. Another thing that you'll also have to be aware of is port forwarding and NAT settings, which I also have a video for that, top right hand corner. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this on a more simple network topology where we have two UCMs locally connected to each other on the same LAN. That way we can avoid any NAT issues. So we're going to dive in on UCM A and UCM B and actually syncing the LDAP settings. This will also open up a very handy feature called event list and being able to monitor remote extensions as well as getting extensions from a remote UCM to participate in the call features of a local UCM. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive in. Alright, first step is to go to our VoIP trunks. As you can see, here is my UCMB peer. I'm going to go ahead and click edit. We're going to go to advanced settings and we're going to get LDAP set up. So we're going to go ahead and click the sync LDAP enable. Now we're going to put in a shared password between both peers. Now this is going to be both the same on UCM A as well as UCM B. Next we're going to choose a port. Make sure it's an available one and you can check that out on system status and network. For this one I'm going to choose 9090. And all the other settings are good as default. So we're going to go ahead and click save and apply changes. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the same password and port on the other UCM. Now obviously if you're going to be doing this between multiple UCMs, you cannot choose the same port here, but because we're using two, it really doesn't matter. Let's just make sure that they stay the same here. So password, port 9090, save that, apply changes. Alright, now that I've done that to both UCMs, all you have to do is hit the little cloud button for sync LDAP. I'm going to do that on this UCM and on this UCM. And boom, we are done. That's how easy it is to sync LDAPs on our UCM. So just as I mentioned before, if you're going to do this for more than one site, just make sure you change that LDAP syncing port as well as password. Now the best way to verify if this actually worked is to go to your call features. We're going to go to event list, which by the way will be the next video tutorial in this. We're going to click add event list, and as you can see we have remote extensions. This is how we're going to verify it. So my remote extensions at UCMB are 2000 and up. As you can see we're at UCMA where we have 1000. Now you want to do this on both to make sure it works. I'm also going to do this on UCMB. Go to event list, add new event list, and boom, we have remote extensions. It was that easy syncing LDAPs. Now this opens this up to a lot of really cool features like having remote phones in ring groups and call queues, as well as options for other call features. With that being said, that's LDAP syncing between two peer UCMs. It's that easy, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe and like this video. That way you can stay up to date to the latest GS tutorial videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next video and hopefully supporting you one day in the future. And on that note, you have a good one. We hope that you found that video tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for the latest in video tutorials. I'm Nathan Sharp. You have a good one.